Good debt versus bad debt. Explained in 6 minutes. Not all debt is bad. In fact, some debt can actually make you wealthier. But how do you know which debt is good and which debt is just draining your bank account? Let's break it down in under 6 minutes. Hey, welcome back to Insight Loop, where we make money and investing simple and stress-free. If you want to learn how to grow wealth and stop money mistakes from holding you back, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a tip. What is good debt? Let's start with good debt. Yes, good debt is real. Good debt is money you borrow that helps you build wealth or increase your long-term earning potential. Think of it like a tool. Used correctly, it can set you up for a stronger financial future. Examples include education loans that lead to higher income opportunities, business loans that help you grow a profitable business, mortgages on property that can appreciate in value or generate rental income. Here's the key. Good debt usually has a low interest rate, a clear plan to pay it off, and the potential to increase your net worth over time. In short, good debt is an investment in your future. What is bad debt? On the other hand, bad debt is like carrying a backpack full of bricks while you're trying to run a marathon. It slows you down, big time. Bad debt is money you borrow for things that lose value or don't generate income. Examples include high-interest credit card debt from buying clothes or gadgets, payday loans with sky-high interest rates, car loans that keep you in a cycle of payments on a depreciating asset. If it's costing you a lot in interest and doesn't put money back in your pocket, it's probably bad debt. Remember this rule. If it loses value the moment you buy it, think twice before borrowing to get it. How to use good debt wisely. So how do you make sure you're only taking on good debt? Here are 3 quick tips. Run the numbers first. Will the return be greater than the cost of borrowing? Look at your budget. Make sure you can handle the monthly payment without stress. Have an exit plan. The faster you can pay it off, the better. Smart borrowing isn't about avoiding debt completely. It's about making sure debt works for you, not against you. Breaking free from bad debt. If you're stuck with bad debt right now, don't panic. Start by listing every debt you owe, paying off the highest interest debt first. This saves you the most money. Avoiding adding new debt while you pay it down. Even small extra payments each month can speed up your debt-free date by months or even years. So remember, good debt builds wealth. Bad debt steals it. Use debt as a tool, not a trap. If you found this helpful, give this video a like. Drop a comment sharing what type of debt you're working on right now. And subscribe to Insight Loop for more quick, no-fluff money tips every week. Your future self will thank you.